Yeah, man, this land is coming through, man. Old 81 El
Everything intact
Camino
under there, man.
project I got going. It's a personal, very personal. We found
Hey, good
these
morning.
from an old lady, man,
Oh,
in Little
81.
Rock, Arkansas, man. She had two of them back to back,
Motor
man.
running.
That was her husband. She said they
Oh,
ain't
81
drove in
L dog,
13
man.
years. They sat over
Everything
there, man.
intact,
They
man.
just filled them with junk, man. That was the first look at it right there. That's just how it looked when I pulled up, man. Put some water in it, and the engine started. That was crazy. And it jumped in gear. That was the first look at it, I say. Filthy, filthy, filthy outside, filthy inside. The floors, rotted out, everything. But yeah, this us getting them told. But here it is, man. A day or two later, man, I done drove it. I drove this thing. I drove it up to the tire shop. Got four used tires on that thing. You know, ran good, shifted decent. Transmission slipping bad though. Only other problem. It looked good. Looked very good. And as the days went on though, I went ahead and gave that thing a full detail to see how it really looked. Pressure washed it and degreased it to death, man. And this how it looked that night. This was that night. This is what it was doing that night after I played around with the carburetor. We got some new liquids in there. I got some new liquids. Got some new oils.
Yeah, L
Tuned
dog.
that thing up a little bit. No
That's what it
spark
started
plug,
with,
no
though.
nothing. Just
This is just the
I don't
beginning.
even know if I changed the oil. I can't even remember. But yeah, that's what it was doing.
Yeah, man. It's up here at the paint shop. Yeah,
Yeah. So here we is, man.
slow.
The whole flow panel came in, man, and I just drove him on up to the paint shop, man. We gonna go and get painted, put the flow in, get some new seats. We gonna do all that in one. So I said, fuck it, man. I dropped it off. I took it up there. You know what I'm saying? You see it. That's a 350 motor. Can't tell you what the transmission is, but that was a 350 motor. Everything was intact. Everything looked good. That's the flow. That's the rusted flow. You look over there on the driver's side. It's a hole in the flow. That's a new flow and going in. You know,
Too much about the north side of town.
it's just to speed up, man. This build, man. I've been posted it on YouTube, man. But you see, I'm a little behind, but I'm gonna catch y'all up to the currently. This my man over here at Backwood Customs, Little Rock, Arkansas, man. My man Rob, man. He got right to work, man. This the next day. He got right to work sanding that thing down. Oh, 81 El Camino, man. Real. He ain't playing no games. What do y'all see the other video? That's what I'm telling you. Wait till you see the other video. Man, but my plans with this thing, we're gonna redo this thing all the way. All the way. If you got any suggestions on this thing where I can get parts, what I should do to it, what motor I should run, should I stay old school or should I go with that LS? How much power I need to put in it, what type of interior I need to do, man. Comment it, man. I wanna hear y'all. Let me know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I wanna hear what you got. But yeah, man, this part one, man.